So I have a clock that is going to take a longer pendulum leader wire, and Timesavers doesn't have the length that I need. I've tried making them in the past, and if you don't get them just perfect, the leader wire will act funny. So I got these nails set up in this board. If I can put this thing back on. So I got the nails set up in the board, and my theory is I'm going to start with this small piece of wire here and try to form this shape. This shape is easy to form, but this shape is the thing that's really important. Now, Timesavers does sell wire that's made for this type of work. And I need to get a piece out. Just let me find it. I must have used it all. But I got this piece of wire here that it actually is for an antique clock. And so I'm going to make this loop, or try to make this loop, using this wire and these nails. It's not exactly the same because it's not square like these are, but I think it'll work. And so let me take you down to the clock to show you what I'm talking about. Sorry, my light is flickering. But this is that big Fox and Grapes cuckoo clock, and the loop needs to come out of the clock about an inch or so. And when I first got this clock, the pendulum leader wire was too short. It was up inside the case, so part of the pendulum stick stuck inside the case, and I made a different wire for it. But you see how it's twisting and acting all kinds of funny? I don't want that. And currently, this is what it's doing. It's acting all weird. I'm sure part of it's got to do with the V wire. So I'm going to, and part of it's got to do with this loose, the post. So I'm going to fix that. Now the post was loose, so I tightened that up. And you can see this wire is twisting back and forth. But when I put the one I just made on, and I'm doing this live on video so you can see I didn't do anything else. it's not twisting back and forth. It's not exactly bent right. I'm gonna have to fix the wire because it's not bent right, because it's this part is crooked down here. But once I straighten that out, it will resolve the issue. Plus, I gotta cut some off because it's, like I said, it should only stick out about an inch out of the case. And right now it's sticking out about 3 inches. So let me fix that. Now you can see it's almost there. I gotta twist this a little bit because it ain't quite there. Because the pendulum, I don't know how to explain it. It needs to come this way. This part and this part have to be in the same, they gotta both be flat. In other words, this loop that you hang the wire on, it has to be either to the left or to the right of this loop. It can't be facing up, and it has to be flat. And I already flattened this out once. Well, there we go. It works again. I had the wrong size wire. If you don't use the same strength wire as a regular pendulum leader wire, it'll twist and act all funky on you also. Like I said, Timesavers sells wire, costs like 75 cents each. So when you order stuff from Timesavers, you might want to order that wire. It's used for, I think they call it velo wire. But anyway, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. May God bless each and every one of you.